welcome to World of Warships, episode 3. And we already spotted a destroyer. Of course, we're back on the cruiser. I'm not sure whether I can do a donut with this thing. I'm turning to go there. Wow, you can actually see through smoke using binoculars. Like the binocular vision thing. Might take a while for it to reach you there. Wait, there's a destroyer right here. I need a lot of lead. This thing is very fast. My reloading on my ship's shell reloading, I think, is quite fast. Okay, let's get ready our torpedoes. Wait, there's a destroyer. Should we get the destroyer or the cruisers? Wait, no, that's a battleship. We're just having a war right here. Okay. Okay.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Whoa. Oh no! Hold up. No, I hate it. Okay. Good thing we got the worst backup ship. Alright, let's do this. Our backup ship with torpedoes. Back up ship. Wait. Please. Wait, do we actually have an aircraft carrier on team? Yo, that would be so cool. I want to see the aircraft carrier. Is it really? Is there really an aircraft? Wait, hold up. Hold up. Did they just scam us? What? I don't see the aircraft carrier anyway. Oh my gosh.
Action stations.
Cubes are like, right? Wait, we can only do armor piercing? This ship is bad. What is this shit? It's the worst shit ever in history. Only armor piercing. Bro, why did I choose this shit? Why is it looking up? Is there something up there? There's nothing up there. I'm just gonna try play with this shit. Ooh, wait, there's a volcano? Cool. There's a volcano. Oh. Wait.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Shot right. Imagine we could shoot the boat. I'm not sure this thing can even destroy a single boat. At least I got torpedoes. I have big torpedoes. Okay.
Don't fire at your allies.
Oh my gosh, never mind. See, it does bad damage.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Looks like he's stopping. Here's my chance.
Torpedoes, direct front.
Oh shit, I just missed it. I just wasted torpedoes. Wait. Can I? Would I? Should I? Oh, never mind. This ship is bad.
The ship is on fire. Torpedoes to starboard. Problem solved, sir.
The torpedoes can't hit us, right? It must be their max range. No way. No way. No way. No way. How? It's like they had infinite range. Okay. At least the bullets are for good use. Now. Alright. Side on. Alright, I can heal. I forgot about that. Please, torpedoes hit.
Our team has taken the lead.
Okay, we did a bit of damage, at least. I'm gonna take the risk. I'm taking the risk. I don't care. Wait.
Our victory is in sight.
Oh my gosh, we nearly killed it. That was cool. Okay, our allies killed it now. Exited. Wait, how's it still in the battle? Okay. Oh, it's back. It's back. Oh man. Oh. What? So sad. Can we at least get the tier 4? Please. No! Okay, let's battle. Never mind. That was enough battles for one day. So, this will be the end of. That's the end of this video. Bye.